In this video, we will show you how to approve your artwork in WebApproval and how to get the most out of the online tools available. After we've received artwork, your account manager will provide a link so you can gain access to your proof via a web browser. WebApproval reports any potential issues it finds within supplied artwork and tags them with warnings or errors. This could be a low-res image in your artwork that may not produce the best printed result. By going to the Remarks panel, WebApproval will highlight the exact area where an issue has been found. If you need to replace an incorrect page, reject the chosen page using the thumbs down icon, then send your replacement page in PDF format to your account manager. If your supplied artwork is a multi-page document and you only want to replace one or two pages, just send us revised single pages as separate PDFs. However, if there are many pages you wish to replace, please resupply the whole document as one multi-page PDF. To approve your pages, simply click the green tick icon as you inspect each page. Alternatively, you can use the spread view if your artwork has multiple pages, clicking the fast forward tick icon to approve both pages with a single click. To zoom into areas of your artwork, use the magnifying glass icon. For inspecting colours within your artwork, go to the Separations panel. In this example, we are going to check that the text is made up of 100% black. Uncheck the black tick box and press Apply. The text is no longer visible on the page. To measure using WebApproval, locate the cog icon in the top right corner to view options. Here you can apply rulers, or alternatively, you can use the quick key R on your keyboard. Once rulers are shown, you can then pull in guides from the edges. Rulers are particularly helpful to check that your design allows enough space around any logos or PPIs that may be included. Return to the cog icon and hide rulers, or again, by pressing R. There is also a download softproof PDF option where you can download a copy to your PC or Mac. Please note that approvals on WebApproval are final and cannot be undone. Only approve your artwork when you are certain that it's ready to be printed. If you need any advice about your artwork or WebApproval, then your account manager is here to help, so please don't hesitate to get in contact.